Peace and security are commonly associated with harmony characterized by the absence of violence and hostility. And what is peace and security in global sense? It's when there is no aggression, armed conflicts, but there is social welfare, equality and efficient political order. For me personally, peace and security mean peaceful life without war, drugs, terrorist attacks, nuclear power proliferation, hunger, serious diseases. Peace is when you feel secure and safe in your own environment, and when you can work in a business center without any fear of any terrorist attack that might occur. It's when you can feel safe in crowded places, not being afraid of any crime that might happen. It's when you can travel around, not thinking about disturbance and ethnic conflicts that might occur. Keep the peace. Cheers!